look at this picture. These are cute animals. What's this picture? Very good. They are mice. Now let's take a look at this picture. We can fly it outside. What's this picture? Excellent. It's a kite. Now let's take a look at this picture. It's something we put in a glass to make our juice cold. What's this picture? Very good. It's an ice cube. And finally, let's take a look at this picture. It's a coin that we can use to pay for the things we want to buy. What's this picture? Very good. It's a dime. Now let's read the following words. Mice, kite, ice, dime. What's the sound of letter I in the following words? Excellent. The sound of letter I in the following words is I. Is the sound of letter I in ride short like sit or long like bike? Excellent. The sound of letter I in ride is long like bike. So what's the sound of long I, like slide? Excellent. The sound of long I, like slide, is I. Now let's read the spelling words together. Like, for example, I like to play with my sister. Bike, I have a new bike. Ride, we ride the bus. Dime, what's the meaning of dime? A coin we use to pay for things we want to buy. Now let's put dime in a sentence. I want a toy and it costs a dime. Smile. Look at this boy smiling. Hide. We play hide and seek. Time. Do not be late, be there on time. Ice. Put some ice in the glass. White. My favorite color is white. Kite. Let's fly the kite outside.